Let's talk about Derricka Rogers, otherwise known as Muffy, who went missing and whose body was found in a soak-away pit for waste. Her exact age is uncertain. Some reports say 19, others 20, while some mention 23 or even 27. She was from Gravel Hill, Clarendon. According to eyewitnesses, she was last seen on May 27th at the Milk River taxi stand in Maypen before her disappearance. That's near the Maypen police station. There is a voice note circulating where she reportedly said she was with Oily, her married lover. Her body was pulled from a waste pit located in her boyfriend's yard in Milk River, alongside personal belongings such as her purse and identification card, suggesting a deliberate attempt to conceal evidence. Currently, 3 people are in police custody in connection with her murder, 2 men and 1 woman. The surprising part is that her boyfriend has not been listed as a person of interest, despite the fact that her body was found in his yard and that he was still in Jamaica at the time of her disappearance. That's really strange. And for that reason, I am not showing his picture because he is not listed as a person of interest nor wanted by the police. While the internet has already convicted him as the killer, the police seem to think otherwise. Otherwise, why hasn't he been named a person of interest? It is said that he is now in Florida.